just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body, I just gotta say.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cash like money. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to get these Dutch braids, French braids, whatever you want to call them, gel braids, two braids. I'll show you how to get braids. My hair is going to be curly in the video. My hair is really thick, so if you have really thick curly hair, this video is for you. If you don't have thick and curly hair, this video is also for you because it just shows you how to braid your hair. So before we get into that, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam Fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Let's get straight into the video. Let's go. So this is all my real hair brushed out, nappy as ever. I'm gonna do Dutch braids on curly hair because I'm gonna show you how. Alright, so basically I'm just brushing it out. So you just want to separate your hair, and I just washed my hair, but if I don't grease my scalp, it gets really like flaky because my scalp needs moisture. So I'm just gonna take that there. I'm gonna try to get the best angles, you guys, but this is Dutch braid, French braid, two braids, whatever you want to call it. So you're gonna start at the front here, and you're literally going to separate your hair into 3 little sections. 1, 2, and 3. You see that? 1, 2, and 3. You're going to take it and you're going to wrap them one underneath the other and pull it tight. As you pull it tight, you're going to grab the next piece of hair like that. And you're kind of like combing your hair as you take it back, just like that. And I can do this without a mirror. I literally do it when I'm at work. I don't know, people think it's so weird, but I'm so used to it by now that I can do it without a mirror. So you just keep grabbing it tight every time, and you're pulling, like pulling down, pulling back and pulling down. And that's how, when I have curly hair, how I get it to look so like neat and straight, I guess. Like that. Show you on the side. Take your time too with it. You don't have to rush. I'm just a little bit quicker. You're just gonna keep pulling so that you don't have any like crinkles in there or no nappy hair in your little braids. You're just gonna keep pulling. When you get to the back, you want to make sure you grab all the way in the back, like that. And then you're just going to braid it down, like that. Like that. And you pull it forward. Like so. I hope it was a good angle. Couldn't really tell you guys. That's how you do Dutch braids, French braids, Dutch braids, whatever you want to call it. That's how you do them. I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam Fam. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. And as always, guys, remember to fly first. Love yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.